today we're doing a room tour of Moon Palace, Jamaica. This is located in Ocho Rios, which is about an hour and a half from Montego Bay Airport. We're gonna tour their 4-bedroom presidential suite and one of their standard ocean view room. If you're new to my channel, I'm Chanel Morris. Press that subscribe button and that bell button for a notification every time I put up a video. If you're already a part of my YouTube family, welcome back to another video. Before we get into these stunning views, let's start at the front entrance. As you walk in, this is screaming presidential suite. It's an open concept living room, dining room, and kitchen, and not to mention unobstructed ocean view as soon as you step through the door. Let's take a closer look at this terrace. This is going to be one of 6 terraces that is associated with this suite. You get a jacuzzi on this one with unobstructed ocean view. And if you're here on a Wednesday, this is exactly where the cruise ship comes in. And you also get a view of the mountains of Ocho Rios itself. Heading back inside, right off of the living room, there is a powder room. So if you have someone over, they can use this washroom if your bedroom is a mess. And next to that, you have your first bedroom, which you have closet on the left and a full bathroom on the right. You do have a soaker tub, a shower, 2 sinks, and your separate toilet area, which every single room has this setup. Did I mention this is 4-bedroom? Yeah, this is a 4-bedroom suite. You have closet on the left as you walk in, and then you have what a standard room would look like if you were to stay in a non-presidential suite. This is it. This would be it. Yes, it is a little messy just because housekeeping was cleaning everything up before we get to stay in the room, because we did get an upgrade, and that view is the exact view you see from every bedroom. And you also have the option of opening this up and taking in the blue waters straight from the soaker tub. How amazing is that? That's one room, because this is a 4-bedroom. And then here's a second room, which is the same concept. You have the bathroom and shower, toilet, and your closet off of there. The only difference between this room and the other room is that this one has 1 king-size bed and the other one had 2 double beds. And this is your 3rd terrace of unobstructed ocean views, just pure blue waters. And going down the hallway, and a full-size fridge, fully stocked and everything. So nice. Thank you. Oh, and then you have your microwave, all your kitchen needs, and it's an open concept, which I love. Love. And then these are the other 2 bedrooms on the opposite side. So exact same layout, right? With the bathroom and the rooms. Like I said, the housekeeping is here cleaning up, so it's a little bit messy right now, but that's the view. So each bedroom has a beautiful view, and the same concept for the bathroom. And of course, you have your closet. Hi! I won't disturb you, but this is the other room. Hello. Hi. That's the 4th room off of the kitchen. Now that we're done downstairs, let's go upstairs to my favorite part of this entire presidential suite.
How do you like it, baby?
And this is an outdoor terrace. Wow.
When the water's so blue.
I mean, it doesn't get any better than this. Everyone gather to my suite because this is unbelievable. Unbelievable. I cannot say unobstructed ocean view anymore in this entire vlog, because this is what it means. This is the ultimate unobstructed view. And not to mention, you get your private pool. If you're not a pool person just because of so many people have been in the same pool as you, well, you get your private one. And that's okay because the beach is right downstairs, right out the door if you want to go to the beach instead. You also get a bar on this terrace, so this is more of your social gathering. And did I mention floor to ceiling windows? If you're someone that prefers villas over all-inclusive resorts, here's your villa with all-inclusive benefits. You don't have to spend the extra money on food that some villas offer. You have a private butler that can bring you any top shelf, medium shelf, bottom shelf liquor you would like. You also have 24-hour room service, and if you don't want to leave your suite, you can jump in the pool because it's private. It's for you. Now, if you're someone that aren't opposed to an all-inclusive resort, we're gonna tour what an ocean view room looks like at Moon Palace. Before we checked into this beautiful suite, we did have a standard ocean view room. Let's take a tour of that. This was my first impression. This tour is more detailed than the presidential suite tour just because this was our first room and it was clean. Room service was in the presidential suite while I was touring it so they can get it cleaned up for us. But as you walk in, there's a closet. On the right, you have your robe, safe, iron board, and everything. And right beside that, you have your washroom. So this is what the washroom will look like when you check in. It's all cleaned and beautiful. And everything is up to date at this resort, which I love because it is an older resort. But everything is modern and beautiful. So this room does not come with a soaker tub and it's only a single sink. It's not a double sink. And if you notice in the shower, you have your cheap products, which I did hear about. And then you have your toilet separated, which is perfect. And then to the good part, here is where the magic happens. Now we're gonna play a little devil's advocate. This room is actually very small compared to one of the rooms in the presidential suite. When we first checked in, I was so happy about this. I honestly would be happy to stay here the entire stay. But now that I know. And then you have a nice complimentary wine. And let's see the view, guys. Let's see the view. Ooh, wow, look at this view. So beautiful. So you get the ocean view and then you also get to see that we're in the town. So we're right in the city and we can just go out and see what's happening. As you heard, that was my genuine first impression of this room, the view and everything, which I am so grateful for. I am so happy we got even the opportunity to stay at Moon Palace. In comparison to the presidential suite, the patio is a lot smaller. The room is a lot smaller compared to one of the rooms in the suite. And some rooms at Moon Palace doesn't even have a patio. It has a Julia balcony. I am so excited to be at Moon Palace and I cannot wait to do the resort tour for you guys. So if you're new to my channel, like and subscribe and stay tuned for the resort tour. You know some love. Bye.